When I say mussels, what do you picture? Big biceps or a delicious mussel pot served with a white wine sauce and some French fries? Well, mussels are more than just food. They filter water, remove harmful chemicals, and stabilize our shores. A mussel bed is just like a forest on the rocky shores, home to countless other species such as crabs, barnacles, limpets, fish, even sea cucumber. Without mussels, our coastal biodiversity will be no more. But worldwide, mussels are under threat. And this time the culprit is not something we can see with our bare eyes. Microscopic parasites called photoautotrophic endolith, a mouthful, I know. Well, they are digging their way into the mussel shells, causing negative effects and ultimately being lethal. However, under certain weather conditions, these shell-boring parasites help the mussels survive intense heat stress. Throughout my research, I compared parasitized and non-parasitized mussel beds to answer, partly, the question, how do shell-boring parasites influence the species associated with the mussel beds? Using an infrared camera, I recorded the temperature of other rocky shore animals on mussels. On parasitized mussels, animals' temperatures were much lower, which improves their chances of not drying to death during a hot summer day. So I thought, that parasitized mussel would be a better home for rocky shore animals. But after transplanting mussels along the South African coastline, animal communities were not influenced by the presence of parasites. Why? Well, that still needs to be researched. Finally, I investigated the mussel shell as a habitat. Through erosion, parasites promote the settlements of barnacle, encrusting worm, and algae, but seem to stunt their growth and survival. Indeed, if the mussel shell collapses, well, this means death for the animals living attached to it. In summary, shell-boring parasites do have the potential to influence mussel beds, which support an entire coastal biodiversity still full of mysteries. With global climate change and ocean acidification, both negative and positive effects of these shell-boring parasites will be magnified. So, if you want to preserve biodiversity and keep having delicious mussels, crabs, lobsters in your plate, well, remember, mussels matter and they are in danger.